Chapter 5 Division. Relation between multiplication and division.
When we multiply two numbers, we get the product. This product can be divided by any of its factors. Example, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 4 and 3 are factors and 12 is a product. Or divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Multiplication facts. 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. Or 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to 56. And their division facts are 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7, or 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8.
Properties of division. Dividing by 1. When a number is divided by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. For example, 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Dividing by number itself. When a number is divided by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. For example, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Dividing 0 by any number. When we divide 0 by any number, we get 0 as the quotient. For example, 0 dividing by 5 is 0. 0 dividing by 6 is 0. 0 dividing by 7 is 0. 0 dividing by 8 is 0. Dividing by 0. We cannot divide any number by 0.
Long division without remainder. Dividing two-digit numbers by one-digit number. Example, divide 42 by 2. Solution, dividend is equal to 42, which means 4 tens, 2 ones, and divisor is equal to 2. Step 1. Divide 4 tens by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Write 2 in the tens place of the quotient and write product 4 below the dividend in the tens place. Subtract 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Step 2. Bring down 2 ones. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Write 1 in the ones place in the quotient and write 2 below the dividend in ones place. Subtract 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Thus, the quotient is 21. Dividing three-digit numbers by one-digit number.
Example, divide 426 by 2. Solution. Divide 4 hundreds by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Write 2 in the hundreds place of the quotient and 4 below the dividend in the hundreds place. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Bring down 2 tens. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Write 1 in the tens place of the quotient and 2 below the dividend in the tens place. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring down 6 ones and divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Write 3 in ones place of the quotient and 6 below the dividend in the ones place. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Thus, the quotient is 213.
Remember, you may verify your answer by using divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Dividing four-digit numbers by one-digit number. The method of dividing a four-digit numbers by a one-digit number is same as dividing three-digit numbers by one-digit number. You may verify your answer. Remember, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Example, Divide 2864 by 2. Solution. Step 1. Divide 2000s by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Step 2. Divide 800s by 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Step 3. Divide 6 tens by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Step 4. Divide 4 ones by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Thus, the quotient is 1432. Division with remainder. Example, divide 97 by 3. Solution. Step 1. Start with tens. Divide 9 tens by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Write 3 in the tens place of quotient. Subtract 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Nothing is left. Step 2. Divide 7 ones by 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 and 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 9 ones are greater than 7 ones. So, we will take 6 ones. So, write 2 in the quotient. 7 ones minus 6 ones is equal to 1. Remainder. Thus, quotient is equal to 32 and remainder is equal to 1. Remember, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If the number does not divide exactly, write the remainder at the end. Example, divide 695 by 3. Solution. Step 1. Divide 600s by 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Step 2. Divide 9 tens by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Step 3. Divide 5 ones by 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 6 ones are greater than 5 ones. So, write 1 in the quotient. 5 ones minus 3 ones is equal to 2. Remainder. Thus, quotient is equal to 231 and remainder is equal to 2.
Example, divide 3968 by 3. Solution. Divide 3000s by 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Write 1 in the thousands place of the quotient and 3 below the dividend in the hundreds place. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Bring down 9 hundreds. 9 divided 3 is equal to 3. Write 3 in the quotient place and 9 below the dividend in the hundreds place. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Bring down 6 tenths. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Write 2 in the tens place of the quotient and 6 below the dividend in the tens place. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Bring down 8 ones. 8 cannot be divided by 3 exactly, and 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Since 9 is bigger than 8, so we write 2 in the ones place of the quotient and 6 below the dividend in the ones place. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 since we cannot divide further. Thus, quotient is equal to 1322 and remainder is equal to 2. Remember, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Division with regrouping. Division with regrouping. So far we have learnt division with or without leaving remainder. Now we will learn division with regrouping.
Example, divide 56 by 2. Solution. Step 1. Divide 5 tenths by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 tenths. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 tenths. 6 tenths is greater than 5 tenths. So, we make 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Step 2. Write 2 in the quotient. Step 3. Subtract 4 from 5 and get 1 as remainder. Step 4. Bring down 6 from 1's place and write it to the right of 1. 16 is the new dividend. Step 5. Divide 16 by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Write 8 in the quotient. Thus, quotient is 28 and no remainder is left.
Example, divide 692 by 9. Start with hundreds. 6 is less than divisor 9. So we take hundreds and tens together. Now 69 is the dividend. Divide 69 by 9. 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 63 and 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 72, which is greater than 69. So we take 9 multiplied by 7 equal to 63. Write 7 in the quotient. Subtract 63 from 69. It gives remainder equal to 6. Bring down 2 and write it to the right of 6. 62 is the new dividend. 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54 and 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 63, which is greater than 62. So we take 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54. Write 6 in the quotient. Subtract 54 from 62, leaving 8 as remainder. Thus, quotient is equal to 76 and remainder is equal to 8. Verification of the example. We can verify our answer using following formula. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to 9 multiplied by 76 plus 8 is equal to 684 plus 8 is equal to 692. Hence verified.
Example. Divide 7631 by 3. Solution. Step 1. Start with thousands. 7 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Remainder is equal to 1. Step 2. Bring down 6 from hundreds place. 16 is the new dividend. 16 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Remainder is equal to 1. Step 3. Bring down 3 from tens place. 13 is the new dividend. 13 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Remainder is equal to 1. Step 4. Bring down 1 from 1's place. 11 is the new dividend. 11 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Remainder is equal to 2. Thus, quotient is equal to 2543 and remainder is equal to 2. Verification. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. 7631 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2543 plus 2. 7631 is equal to 7629 plus 2. 7631 is equal to 7631. It is verified.
Division by 10 and 100. While dividing by 10, the digit in the ones place is always the remainder. For example, on dividing 63 by 10, we get 6 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. While dividing by 100, the remainder formed by the digits in the tens place and ones place is always the remainder. For example, on dividing 563 by 100, we get 5 as the quotient and 63 as the remainder.
Word problems. Example, if 5 toffees can be packed in one packet, how many packets are needed to pack 20 toffees? Solution: 20 toffees divided by 5 toffees. Thus, 4 packets are needed to pack 20 toffees.